Outlier AI, or simply Outlier, is a platform that connects subject matter experts with AI developers to train and improve large language models. Now, it is also abbreviated to be the LLMs and other AI system. Now, this allows people to earn money remotely by providing human feedback, data, rating for AI generated content and tasks. Now, it is also known for offering flexible freelance and work for people with skill in coding. What this actually means is that you are going to be training AI. Now, some of us have heard of this before, actually training AI to do some other things which we are into. Now, sometimes when you give AI some prompts, you get an exact response you expected. This particular platform is where you come to train AI, and these AIs are what we use on our different occasions. So right here, when you come right here, you can see outsmart artificial intelligence with your human brilliance. The questions and the difficulty we are facing most times is creating an account on Outlier. Okay, now when you come right here, you can see where it says join a global community of talented professionals to shape the future of AI. Earn up to $18 and additional rewards based on quality of submission. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can create an account on your own without asking anyone to do that for you. Most of the times you would not find this on your location, depending on where you are actually watching this particular video. So right here, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can get started and set up your accounts in the right way. But before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also show you things that actually works that can benefit you in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification, so whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now, YouTube is gonna send you a notification. Now, I believe you've done that. Thank you for always coming to support this channel. Now let's head over to this interface right here. Now when you come right here, you can see earn up to $18 paid out weekly. Australian, Canada, Ireland, and Zealand, United Kingdom, United States. Now, this specifically stated some states that are approved right using this platform. You can see that choose your own schedule. Most experts spend 5 to 10 hours weekly, up to 40 hours, depending on what you tend to focus on. Now, this particular platform is actually subject based. You can actually choose to go for a particular subject or a particular segment to get the reward, depending on what you're focused on and depending on what you choose to get on this platform. Now when you come right here, you can see English proficiency required, ability to read, write, evaluate text fluently in English. Now when you come right here, you are also going to be seeing the overview of Outlier in committed to improving the intelligence and safety of AI models. Just like what I say, these are businesses and these are subject matters that are being shown to you right on this platform. So you are going to be choosing what you are specifically based on, as this is where you come in as a worker to train AI, owned and operated by Scale AI. We are recently being featured in Forbes for partnering experts with top AI labs to provide the high quality data for LLMs, just like the abbreviation I explained earlier of this video. Now we are not going to be explaining or reading out all this at this moment. Now what your focus is how you can get started on this platform as a new user. So these are what you can also go on your own ledgers to understand how it works. You can see the compensations and benefits which I've explained so far. Now some of you will be asking, what are the payment options and how do I get the rewards? You can see PayPal and ATM. On this channel, I made a video on how you can get your PayPal account, which some of us finds it helpful. Now when you come right here, you can see that you can also get the rewards via ATM, which is more preferable at the time of making this video. Now on this channel, you will also get a video that explains ATM, how you can go about it. Now all these compensations and benefits, you can actually go through them and understand it. Now this particular interface, I will want you to go through it and understand how it works. To set up an account is very simple. As you can see right here, application and onboarding process. You create an account on Outlier, and first of all you need to get the account running. The next thing you want to do right now is to verify your identity and the phone number. How do you do that? You just have to use your identity to verify this phone number, which I'm going to be explaining in this video if this video is not too long. Now you also need a phone number to verify your account, meaning you need the particular location phone number you're using to create this account. Now also pass a skill assessment. That means that you need to be doing some assessment to move over to step 4, which is start earning by completing tasks. So it is very simple to set up an account on Outlier. Now for you to get started, all you just need to do is to come down to where you can see the button apply. Now so before that, you can see frequently asked questions, which you can go through and get to understand what it means. Right here you can see where it says, what is Outlier? How is it related to Scale AI? Will I be an Outlier employee? What do I need to sign up for this opportunity? What's the expected time committed for participants, and when and how will I be paid? How can I get support? Now this is actually what people are asking about this particular platform. That is why it is called the frequently asked questions by users. When you go ahead to click any of these, you're going to be seeing a display right here where it says when payments are processed weekly on Tuesday, specifically covering tasks completed during the previous pay period, Tuesdays to Monday at midnight. So that is actually the United Kingdom time. Now how payments are being pushed out is via PayPal and ATM and this particular arch transfer. So these are also what you can come right here and click to read all this so you can get to understand. Now you can come right here and see where it says what is the expected time committed for participants, depending on how you want to spend your time right here. You can set your own schedule. That is the benefit you are getting right on this platform. You don't actually have to work with a specified hour or particular time. Work as much as little as you want, whether 5 or 40 hours per week. There is no minimum hour required to be on the platform. So these are your own decision and choice if you actually want to go around this right here. So right now when you come through this particular interface, you can see that there is apply now everywhere right here. You can click on the apply now right here, or you can come right here to click on apply now. Now the moment you click on that, you're going to be brought into an interface where you need to apply as a new user. So right here you can see Outlier. When you come right here, you can see create an account. So all you just need to do is to apply right here. So right here you can see you are applying for English writing, content reviewing, expertise south for AI training. So like I said, you are specifically coming right here to train AI, and you're being paid for the time and the knowledge you're giving to this. Now you're going to come right here to set up an account for yourself, putting in your email and your password. So for an example, you actually want to set up an account using an email address. You're going to put that right here, put in a password, then click on sign up, or you can come right here to sign in with Google. Now when you come right here to input your email address, you're going to be seeing that you're going to be prompted to set up an account using Google. So right here, let me show you so you can understand what I'm actually saying. So let me go ahead to show you what I actually mean so you can get to understand. So right here you can see that I've inserted my email address, but it's advising me to please sign up with Google. So we are going to come right here and remove this out. You're going to remove this out, and you're going to come right here to sign up with Google. So the moment you click on that, it's going to direct you over to the sign in Google on your account. So it is left for you to pick any one you want to use. So I'm going to be using this particular one, or you are going to be using another account. So let me use this one right here. So I'm going to use this one to create an account on this particular platform. So once you click on that, you need to give access to this. So I'm going to be clicking this on my second device to give access to this. So right now I've actually clicked on that. So it's going to log me into my account. So I'm going to come right here and click on continue. So the moment I click on that, it's going to bring me over to the next interface so I can proceed with the registration of my account. So right now I think this video is getting too long, which I don't want it to be. So let's see if we are going to continue with this particular section, or we are going to end it right here. So right now I'm going to be showing you the next interface where you need to proceed with your registration, as you actually need a UK number or a US number to insert in some options that will be displayed during your account creation. So let's hold on for this to come up so I can proceed in showing you what you need to do while setting up an account on Outlier. The actual task right on this platform is very simple and quite different from other platforms. So right here you can see creation of profile is actually the goal. So what we are going to be doing right now, we can actually move over to verify identity or verify skill. You still need to come right to this particular interface where it says go, click on that, and it's going to take you next to what you need to do before you proceed to the next interface. So right here you can see your legal name is automatically here, or you can go ahead to put that. How did you hear about us? You can come right here and select social media. So we are going to come right here. Let me say I'm coming over to social media right here, and right here you can see my country is already United Kingdom. So your state of origin, you are going to put it right here. The moment you go ahead putting your state of origin, you can see verify phone number is going to be displayed right here for you to verify your phone number. So right now I'm going to be ending this video at this point, because right here we can't actually proceed with this because this video is getting too long. So if you want me to continue with this process of creating a verified Outlier account and how you can go about getting to do the task, go down in the comment section and type in Outlier, and I'm going to be making a detailed video continuing from this particular process in getting your account created and also getting to show you how to perform these tasks. So at this point I'm going to be ending this video and I'm going to be seeing you on the other side. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. So if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where you can actually find some benefits of being online and also the giveaways we roll out from this platform. So see you on my next video and keep winning.